Hello everyone, this is Harry. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn verbs. There are three forms of verbs. Different tense require different form of verb. Let's start with present, past and past participle. Abide, abode, abode. Abuse, abused, abused. Admire, admired, admired. Allow, allowed, allowed. Arise, arose, arisen. Apply, applied, applied. Ask, asked, asked. Attack, attacked, attacked. Awake, awoke, awakened. Let's talk about section B. Be, was, been. Bear, bore, born. Begin, began, begun. Bend, bent, bent. Bid, bade, bidden. Bite, bit, bitten. Bless, blessed, blessed. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Breath, breathed, breathed. Breed, bred, bred. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Buy, bought, bought. Let's talk about section 3. Call, called, called. Catch, caught, caught. Cheat, cheated, cheated. Choose, chose, chosen. Climb, climbed, climbed. Cling, clung, clung. Close, closed, closed. Cloth, clothed, clothed. Shit, shit, shit. Come, came, come. Count, counted, counted. Creep, crept, crept. Cry, cried, cried. Let's talk about section D. Deal, dealt, dealt. Deny, denied, denied. Die, died, died. Dig, dug, dug. Do, did, done. Drag, dragged, dragged. Draw, drew, drawn. Dream, dreamed, dreamed. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Dry, dried, dried. Let's talk about section E and F. Eat, ate, eaten. Earn, earned, earned. Fall, fell, fallen. Fail, failed, failed. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Finish, finished, finished. Find, found, found. Flee, fled, fled. Fly, flew, flown. Flow, flawed, flawed. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Forsake, forsook, forsaken. Freeze, froze, frozen. Fry, fried, fried. Get, got, got. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Grow, grew, grown. Grip, gripped, gripped. Grown, groaned, groaned. Let's talk about section H. Has, have, had, had. Hang, hanged, hanged. Hang, hung, hung. Hear, heard, heard. Help, helped, helped. Hide, hid, hidden. Hit, hit, hit. Hold, held, held. Hate, hated, hated. Let's talk about section IJK. Ignore, ignored, ignored. Inform, informed, informed. Invite, invited, invited. Invade, invaded, invaded. Join, joined, joined. Judge, judged, judged. Keep, kept, kept. Kick, kicked, kicked. Kneel, knelt, knelt. Know, knew, known. Knock, nicked, knocked. Kill, killed, killed. Let's talk about section L. Lay, laid, laid. Lead, led, led, lean, leaned, leaned, leap, leapt, leapt, learn, learned, learned, live, left, left, lie, lay, lane, lie, light, 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 lighted, lighted, like, liked, liked, load, loaded, loaded, lock, locked, locked, lose, lost, lost. Let's talk about section M and N. Make, made, made, marry, married, married, meet, met, met, melt, melted, melted, mend, mended, mended, move, moved, moved, mourn, mourned, mourned, murder, murdered, murdered, notice, noticed, noticed. Let's talk about section O. Object, objected, objected, obey, obeyed, obeyed, occupy, occupied, occupied, open, opened, opened, oppose, opposite, opposite, owe, owed, owed. Let's talk about section PQR. Pay, paid, paid, pardon, pardoned, pardoned, partake, partook, partaken, play, played, played, plot, plotted, plotted, poison, poisoned, poisoned, persuade, persuaded, persuaded, prick, pricked, pricked, promise, promised, promised, progress, progressed, progressed, protect, protected, protected, punish, punished, punished, quarrel, quarreled, quarreled, quit, quitted, quitted, ride, rode, ridden, ring, rang, rung, rise, rose, risen, read, 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 rebook, rebooked, rebooked, receive, received, received, refuse, refused, refused, rebel, rebuilt, rebuilt, request, requested, requested, repair, repaired, repaired, run, ran, run. Let's talk about section S. Save, saved, saved, say, said, said, see, saw, seen, sell, sold, sold, send, sent, sent, smell, smelt, smelt, spend, spent, spent, sleep, slept, slept, speak, spoke, spoken, stand, stood, stood, slip, slipped, slipped, stab, stabbed, stabbed, steal, stole, stolen, sting, stung, stung. Let's talk about section T. Teach, taught, taught, tear, tore, taught, tell, told, told, think, thought, thought, travel, travelled, travelled, try, tried, tried. Let's talk about section U, V, W, Y. Use, used, used, value, valued, valued, vendor, vendored, vendored, wear, wore, worn, wed, wedded, wedded, wind, wound, wound, and the last one, yoke, yoked, yoked.